Make a great choice today with the 2025 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear step bumper, alloy wheels, tire pressure monitoring system, remote keyless entry, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, trailering package, power tailgate, front-wheel independent suspension. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.